Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a custom route in Google Maps. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Google Maps app, and then simply go ahead, tap on this search a location. So let's say this is the one, and then tap on directions. Once you tap on the directions, you're going to go ahead, tap on this. You're going to enter your start location. You're going to enter your end location. Then you're going to tap on add stops, and then you're going to go to restaurant, and then you're going to choose, let's say this is the one, add stop. And if you want to add more stops, you can go ahead, add more stop by tapping on add stops, and you can go ahead, keep on adding according to requirement. Right, and once you do that, let's say we're gonna go for the gas station next. Find the one, add it stop, and there you go. This is how the routes are connected, and it will simply give you the preview, give you the idea. Tap on preview right over here, and you can tap on, you can simply check it out accordingly. Right, and then that's it. That's all you need to do. All you have to do is simply go ahead and start your journey like that, and you can make your custom route. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.